Enjoy the view of this 2019 Toyota Sienna. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This bold, smooth-riding Sienna delivers everything you want and need in a family vehicle. From its advanced safety features to its luxurious cabin to its powerful performance, this minivan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Safe and secure never felt so stylish. Come in and see how much fun it is to drive this luxurious Sienna. Our professional staff will tailor the experience to meet your particular needs.